Till, great to be here today with you. How are you doing?
Thank you, Neil. I'm good. Pleased to be here.
So, Till, when we were here last time, we were looking at Q3 results, and at that point, we were looking at travel volume steadily improving. Now we have a full view of 2022. What have you seen?
The year 2022 was for the industry a strong year, and so for us at Amadeus. We've seen continued recovery of travel volumes, albeit, that's fair to say, at a different pace throughout the year. So there were different phases. On a full year basis, for us, our booking volumes were 31.7% below 2019. North America, it was one of our strongest regions. And for the full year, North America reached plus 3% compared to 2019. So you can see actually exceeding already the 2019 volumes. And the same is true for passengers boarded. For the full year at Amadeus level, we reached minus 22.8% compared to 2019. And North America was already 11% above 2019. We've also seen good progress in APAC. Remember, APAC was a region where many markets were still waiting to be opened up. And that happened in the second half of 2022. And we've seen good progress in there with many of the important markets opening up. And also China playing a small role in the fourth quarter. But of course, going forward, I do expect that the opening up of China will also be beneficial for the overall traffic evolution in the region. The performance of our hospitality and other solutions segment was very strong too. In the fourth quarter, revenues closed already above 2019 levels. And for the full year, we were just 4% short of 2019. So a very strong performance again from the hospitality and other solutions segment.
Okay, so last year, a lot of things to be very positive about, Till. Can you tell me a bit about how that has translated into our financial performance for the year?
I'm very pleased to say that our 2022 financial performance was very strong. We've seen very good revenue evolution, strong EBITDA and adjusted profit growth. And if you think of our free cash flow evolution, which was compared to 2021 particularly strong, it did grow 7 times compared to the prior year. And that helped us to delever as well. So that means reducing our net debt to EBITDA. And for the full year, we reached 1.4 times. And if you think 1 year back, that still stood at 5.1 times. So very good progress on that front as well.
Okay, Till, so last time we spoke in Q3, I guess one of the key points that were taken up in the press from my perspective was the dividend, right? And we were going to resume dividends. We have a little bit more information about that today, and it's that the payout will be at 50%. Is this more really good news to show that we're on the right track?
Absolutely, Neil. This is a great milestone. And remember, during the pandemic, our shareholder base supported us. And therefore, we are very happy today to return back to shareholder remuneration. And the board has determined a gross dividend of 74 cents per share that is going to the General Assembly in June. And this further reaffirms our healthy financial situation.
So last year, the challenges we had in the industry were both capacity issues and macroeconomic. Are those challenges behind us now, Till?
Perhaps not entirely, but we've seen very good progress. In terms of macroeconomics, while it is always good to be cautious and be prepared, for Europe, experts are now ruling out a recession, which is great news. In terms of industry capacity, what you've seen in recent airline updates and also results presentations, they are seeing continued strong demand for travel. And I think the same is coming through in aircraft orders, which is underpinning more the longer-term trend. Look, we also have to accept that we are recovering from an event that was extremely disruptive to the industry, the worst crisis ever. And rebuilding it and matching the surge in demand can take some time. However, there's clear demand from travelers, and that makes us confident about the future.
So that's really, really great to hear, and again, very positive. So then could you give us a bit more colour on 2023 and the outlook ahead?
So look, last year was a strong year, and we expect this year to continue this positive path. We have got very good commercial momentum, and we are very focused on capturing the growth opportunities ahead of us. With this in mind, it is important to maintain strong R&D to support new customer implementations and projects and advance key strategic areas. Already in 2022, our R&D investment was up by 29% compared to prior year. And look, Neil, innovation is a crucial element of our company's DNA.
I couldn't agree more, Till. I have to say thank you so much for the colour from last year and a bit of an insight into the year ahead. Thank you very much, and very, very good luck for the year ahead.
Thanks a lot, Neil.